model, 68-plate Peugeot Expert Pro Standard Blue HDI Long MOT Great Mileage ExcellentRunner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 101,729. MOT, the 3rd of October 2025. Engine, 1997 ccDW10FE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status.